is crying.
So I'm a casual gamer, so I don't have a lot of room to complain, but Diablo 4, Season 2, some things have been a little weird. This example is I have a reward unlocked challenge pop-up with nothing attached to it. They just kept popping up. I played, I then changed environments. A couple of minutes later, another screen grab, and it still kept popping up. Alright, I just completed my Fractured Peaks bonus. If I look, I've got 710 obols. So let's see if I can actually claim these. 710. And now I go back. And it's still 710. Okay, I just finished the last thing in Fractured Peaks that I need. We can see, where am I going? I'm going to, alright, I've got no available, whatever these are called, Paragon points. And if I go here, ta-da, claim plus 4 Paragon points, claim, close, come back to, I got 0 Paragon points. None, 0, zips, zip, zilch. No Paragon points. Again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.